This time I will show you how you can add a lightning effect using Filmora. So we take the lightning animation, we drag it anywhere in the timeline. I will keep project settings as it is, then video basic, and change the blend mode to screen. Press on the video here and scale it down to appropriate size. I normally like it to keep a little bit smaller. Place it like that. And now I would like to cut this part here that's supposed to be hidden behind the trees. To do that, I go to mask and draw the mask. Make sure you close the mask, and then where is invert mask, check this button and increase blue strength, so it all blends in better without any harsh lines. And if you play now, looking good so far. Now the next thing is a flashing box. Again, drag it into the timeline and make sure, keep project settings, make sure that they are lining perfectly, because both video files are in sync and they work best when their starting position is exactly the same. Now on a flashing box, select and go to basic and change blend mode to overlay. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna select certain parts of the image that the lightning should normally affect during the flashing moment. We should definitely select this reflective surface here, perhaps highlights along the roof, on a tree, and we're gonna do it again with the mask and draw mask. Create a rough selection and increase blur strength to make it blend in better. Once you do that, press add draw mask and create another one. And repeat the same steps for every single mask that you want to add. And don't forget to increase blur strength for each of those masks. Normally, the bigger the mask, the more you have to increase it. And if you play, you will see the flashing box is perfectly in sync with the lightning. And then we can enhance this effect further by taking the flashing box and adding into the scene one more time. Again, we go to video basic blend mode and change it to overlay. We go to mask, and with the draw mask, we select the sky area. Again, a really quick selection. Once we have a selection, we increase blur strength. And then in basic, reduce opacity to something what fits for your taste. I'll keep it around 30. And if you play, looking really good. And if this helped you, feel free to subscribe.